large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for southern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Gerald, or near Mamou, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Eunice, Mamou, Chaitanya, Swords, and Savoy around 9:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Ville Platte, Prairie Ronde, and Lauderdale around 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 15 and 35. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, North Central Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Holloway to near Bunkie to near Gerald, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alexandria, Opelousas, Pineville, Eunice, Ville Platte, Marksville, Bunkie, Mamou, Semisport, Krotz Springs, Leonville, Melville, Moorville, Cheneville, Turkey Creek, Palmetto, Borderlandville, Bayou Current, Morrow, and Effie. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for central, south central, and southwestern Louisiana.